All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. And today we have a little bit of discussion to speak about a few of the Reggae Boys. Well, one in specific, but we're also gonna make reference to another Reggae Boy because of something that they did today. Now, what I want you guys to do: smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. As you know, I'm on my road to 10K. HBO people, help a brother out. Help a brother out. I would really, really appreciate it if you do so. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. So we're going to speak about Kemar Roofe. Now, Kemar Roofe is back off injury. We all know that Kemar Roofe was injured from the World Cup qualifiers. I think the World Cup qualifiers against El Salvador. It's El Salvador. I believe it's El Salvador. I believe it's El Salvador. But the good thing is that he's back now. He's back now, and he's back in full colors. Not only that, not only being back, but he's back on the pitch and on the score sheet. He's not the first Reggae Boy to do that, and definitely it's something that we have to discuss. Now, before I get into that, people, let me get into a little bit of administration. Let me tell you what's happening. So my first Twitter account was suspended. As you can see here, big account suspended. Military Guna TV, get Jamaica Football News, Mother Dakers, yeah. The account is suspended. As I said, I lose all my mutuals. So definitely, people, I would like if you guys go into the description. I'll also put in the comment section link to my Twitter so you guys can go over there, show me some support, and also follow back. But I would really appreciate you if you guys do so. Now, let's get to Kemar Roofe. Now, we have to speak about this. He's not the first Reggae Boy we have seen now coming back from injury, and not only coming back from injury, find himself on the goal scoring sheet. No, it also happened with Andre Gray yesterday. He come back off injury yesterday in the squad yesterday, and he scored a spectacular goal. No, Kemar Roofe came on at 66, I think about 66 minutes for Rangers, and they got the penalty in about the 87 minute. And this year is Kemar Roofe putting the penalty to bed and doing his famous celebration. It is good news. It is good news because we have to commend him in regards to coming back. Yes, not anyone can score penalties. Penalty is not that easy to score, as though people would say. But we have to commend him for his hard work coming back. Now, with the likes of Leon Bailey going out on injury now, we don't know what might happen. We definitely don't know what might happen with Leon Bailey. It can be a long-term injury. It can also be a short-term injury. But what I do know is that whenever there's an injury in regards to a player just going down without having any other physical contact with another player, it's something you should worry about. ACL, ligament, hamstring, ankle, all different type of injuries you start to worry about. I'm hoping that it is nothing like any of those situations, but definitely I'm looking forward. I'm looking to see him getting a quick recovery, coming back better and fit. So Kemar Roofe is back with the team. No, Kemar Roofe is actually Rangers' leading goal scorer and definitely continue that great goal scoring form just as he left off prior to the injury, going back to that immaculate goal scoring form. Yes, it's a penalty, but as I said, penalty is not as easy as how everyone would make it seem. And he's back, and definitely that's one more player we have in contention for the Reggae Boys, and you have to look out for them. So people continue to look out for more updates. Definitely, I'll drop you more updates tomorrow as soon as I get them. I won't go any further with this video. This don't necessarily need to be a long video, so I won't make it long. It's going to be a short one. So guys, thank you. Hit the subscribe button, please. I'm begging you. My analytics are showing that about 70% of the persons who watch my video are not subscribers, only 30%. So let me see if I can convert that 30% into the 70%. I would really appreciate it. That's the reason why I'm begging you guys to hit the subscribe button and also join the family. Thank you guys for tuning in. Big up, massive respect to my channel members. give you guys a shout out next video. Really, really appreciate it. Look out for more updates throughout the day. Guys, thank you. Military Guna TV people, and this has been a good one. I'm out.